In this video, I'll show you how to find people on Instagram. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. If for any reasons you would love to find people on Instagram, what you're going to do right now, this is our Instagram, right? You're going to click on this, your search right now. Once you click on it, you'd come on here and type in whatever I'm going to type in, right? I can just come on here and type in Kylian Mbappe, right? Yeah, so I got recommended. He has 123 million followers right here on Instagram. 123,535,664 followers, and he's currently following 460 people, right? So if I do the same thing, I'm gonna come on here, click on the search. I can type in, let me say, Haaland, right? Haaland. Yeah, so this is profile with 38,245,278 followers. So this is how you can find people on Instagram. You need to simply use the search bar, right? Click on the search bar, enter anybody's name you want to type and search. So that is how you can do it basically. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'm gonna see you all in the very next one.